Hey guys, welcome back. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update. It is currently 11:08 at night, Tuesday. I ended up returning my HP, unfortunately, because it just wasn't working for me. I'm an iPhone user, so it's kind of hard to have an iPhone and be on the HP. Like, I couldn't find a way to transfer my videos on my phone to my computer, even though I installed iTunes. Like, I would try to go to this I would try to like find the file on my phone, and for whatever reason it will only show certain videos on my phone, not everything that I had recorded. So I just took it back. Maybe down the line I'll get a MacBook, refurbished at least, and yeah. But for now, I guess I'm just gonna have to continue to just work on my phone. But then again, I kind of didn't think about how I couldn't go live, so that's the downfall. I don't know what to do right now. I'm stuck between just waiting out and trying to look for a used MacBook, or getting an HP laptop that I saw was only like $180, because the one that I had, it was like almost $300. So yeah. Right now I should be going to sleep, but I'm actually scared to even show you guys my room right now. But then again, I have a kid, so, and I work all day, so it's not like I'm home and I'm able to control what he does. Probably gonna do a little bit of cleaning and whatnot. I don't even know if I want to show you guys. Give me 1 second. Alright guys, this is what my room is looking like right now. This is what I have to clean up right now. All of this. Bought him a potty, and all he does is take it apart. We kind of took a break from it because I felt like he just wasn't ready for it. Go right there. This is diapers. There's just stuff everywhere. Laundry bag. Oh god. Let me see if I can just put you guys down real quick. the aftermath. It's not 100%, but way better. Oh shoot, what's in this bag? Got some jackets and stuff I have to put away. Looking way better. That's just some trash I have to throw out tomorrow. I'll do some sleeping tomorrow and then we should be good. I really want to get him like this toy chest to have in Target. That way I can put all his toys away and like his stuffed animal stuff. Because right now this is, where is it? That is what I have to put all his toys. I also gotta get him the what you call this? The railing for his crib. So that way he can start sleeping in his crib. Because we did start to like, when I took off that part of the crib, I had him sleeping on it one night, and then I put like 2 or 3 pillows on the floor. They were really literally right there. Don't mind the mess. I gotta sweep that up. My dog goes under there and does whatever the hell she wants. Anyways, I had some kind of like 2 or 3 pillows there, and I somehow he fell out of the crib, and instead of landing there with the pillow, he ended up somewhere all the way over here. Don't ask me how that happened. I have no idea how that happened. So yeah, I really want to try and get that ordered this week. I think probably do it tomorrow. Also gonna order his toy chest. That's why his toy, what you call it? His chest toys, toy chest, or whatever. So that way all his stuff is away neatly instead of all scrambled around. Also want to try to get him some like a bookshelf or something like that, so he can put his books away and everything. But then I'm kind of worried about it because I did have his book like in a bin or somewhere, and he just kept taking them out. But yeah, guys, I think that is going to be it for this video. I don't know when the next vlog is gonna come up, like the real vlog. I'll try and post something this week. We'll see what happens. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you guys soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys. Bye.